Good evening, or this afternoon going towards evening. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, live, weatherblogs.com, and Responding Fire. We're going to talk about the potentials for severe weather this afternoon, and it does exist here in the eastern parts of the United States. This will include the area of Virginia, but also up to the Delaware Valley. Let's take a look at the latest NAM run with their reflective radar, and you can see what's going to happen here. We get a MCS, a mesoscale convective system blowing up here out in West Virginia. This will march to the east and eventually be into the Roanoke Valley. So pretty much everybody along the area will see some storms. A little bit of rain behind that, and then it will quiet down for a little while. And we're going to go into the next couple of days and we'll see what happens. As you see, more moisture is going to try to come in with a cold front coming from the north by the time we get to Friday and Saturday. And that's when we're going to see the next chance of storms. And that's going to be late Saturday evening. So anybody going to the Vinton Mingle in the market looks pretty decent currently. So we'll have to see how that all goes. This is Friday night. And beyond that, like I said, there's storms back here, but it'll be likely closer to the evening part of that when that occurs. Storm Prediction Center does have us under a marginal risk. Let me throw some cities and towns out here for you. All of the area is under a marginal risk. Roanoke, Southside, Lynchburg, Bedford County, New River Valley, all of Virginia is under risk. Baltimore, Washington, Philadelphia, New York City, Scranton, Buffalo, Syracuse, up to Springfield, back to roughly Nashville. Down here, north of Myrtle Beach, but includes Wilmington, Charlotte, and Raleigh. Severe thunderstorm potential is there. Tornado potential? Probably not great, but it isn't a zero, so that's the other thing. Wind will be the main threat with this system as it occurs. That shows up here when we clicked the area for the Roanoke Valley of marginal shear. Really lining up an atmosphere, mainly a west wind, so we don't have a lot to really worry about. Nothing over 30 minus in the surface to 3 kilometers. It's pretty low here in the 1 kilometer. So if getting a rotating thunderstorm happens, hey, it can occur, but it's going to be hard to produce because of the lower shear levels. Like I said, about roughly 1,800 in Cape, which is borderline. Potential force supercells does exist. And let's see, severe hail is a possibility with this situation. So that's what we're seeing there now. Current radar, not much happening. A little cell here over Roanoke, a little cell south of Bedford towards Moneta. Nothing severe, nothing picking up severe on this storm. We go further back, like I said, we have one severe thunderstorm warning that'll be down in Patrick County into the areas of North Carolina, but majority of the storminess, and when I back up, is back here in West Virginia. So timing will most likely be after 4 p.m. for your main line. Things can pop a little earlier in front of it. We'll keep you updated. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thank you for watching. Have a great day.